Come test drive the 2021 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.